If you want to record sounds on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, what you can do is you can find the voice recorder app. It should be already installed on your phone and you should be able to find it in the app drawer, either somewhere over here or in the Samsung folder. In my case, it is located here in this place. And if you go here, if you use it for the first time, you might need to grant some permissions. So of course, be sure to do that. Then we can tap on this microphone button here to start recording. And there we go, we are now of course recording. Now you can record yourself, you can create a voice memo or just anything, any notes with your own voice. Besides that, here we have this button that allows you to create a bookmark, which later on you can of course go back to once you play back the recording. And of course we have the pause button and the stop button. Now I'm gonna just stop recording completely. Over here we can set up the name for the recording and you can also put it in a category over here. And then we're gonna save it. And there we go, here we have our list of recordings that we have created so far. You can tap on any of them in order to, for example, play it back. Here we have this button here that allows you to erase noise. And if you tap again, then you will cancel that. But if you have, if there's lots of noise in the background on this recording, you can try to reduce it with this button. Here we can keep adding more bookmarks if you want to, and of course we can tap on this arrow to find our bookmarks. You can add notes to your bookmarks, or you can remove those bookmarks if you don't need them. Here we have some additional options like repeat, keep silences, and so on and so forth. But besides that, here in the upper right corner we have the Galaxy AI icon, which allows you to transcribe your recording, to summarize it, and then translate the transcription. If you tap on these three dots, then you have a couple of additional options, like you can move it to the secure folder, you can share the recording with someone, and so on and so forth. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.